ELEGANCE 2601 is a French, general-purpose Linux distribution that prioritizes aesthetic refinement and a comprehensive out-of-the-box experience. Built upon the stable yet versatile Manjaro Linux, and thus the Arch Linux ecosystem, it utilizes the Cinnamon desktop environment to provide a familiar and polished user interface. Developed and sponsored by the Tuxen Mix organization, the distribution is specifically designed for users who want a high-performance system pre-configured with a vast array of software for office work, multimedia production, and gaming. It features a curated selection of tools such as LibreOffice, Kodi, Steam, and professional-grade audio software like Ardour and LMMS, making it a complete workstation from the moment of installation. Released in January 2026, version 2601 serves as a significant refinement update that synchronizes the system with the latest Manjaro 26 core. The most notable change is the improved integration of the Cinnamon 6.4 desktop, which introduces enhanced high DPI scaling and a revised liquid glass theme that offers better translucency effects. Under the hood, this version moves to Linux kernel 6.18 LTS, providing expanded support for the latest Wi-Fi 7 adapters and improved power management for high-end laptops. Other key updates include revised package management. The custom ELEGANCE Software Center has been ported to Qt6, resulting in faster search queries and more reliable Flatpak/AUR integration. Gaming enhancements. A pre-configured game mode utility is now active by default, optimizing CPU governors and I/O priority when Steam or Lutris is launched. Security updates. Full support for 64-bit UEFI secure boot via signed kernels and an updated version of the Tuxen Mix security suite. Multimedia suite. Updates to the creative stack, including Kdenlive 25.12 and GIMP 3 RC, ensuring professionals have access to the latest editing features.
Turn up, let's go.